Every day, when people open the pages of daily newspapers, news related to abduction or kidnapping are quite common to come by. Kidnapping for ransom or abduction is increasing at such an alarming rate, it has been added to the list of major crimes happening in Bangladesh. Bangladesh Peace Observatory data shows that almost every day a person is being abducted in Bangladesh. Data from the last 6 years show that each year, on an average, over 320 cases of abduction were recorded. From January 2015 till May 2021, the highest number of abductions took place in Dhaka and Chattogram division. These two divisions alone contribute to 50% of all the abductions recorded across the country. 19% of these kidnappings resulted in fatalities, leading up to a total of 414 deaths and 607 injuries. Around 30% of these kidnappings had taken place for ransom money. This scenario, however, is not exclusive only to Bangladesh. Kidnapping for ransom is a common occurrence in various parts of the world today, and certain cities and countries are often described as the kidnapping hotspot of the world. According to RiskMap data 2014, Mexico took the first place as the kidnapping hotspot of the world, while India and Pakistan took the second and third place respectively. Bangladesh is in the 8th position in that list. According to the Control Risk Group, an international risk consultancy, kidnappings of foreign nationals globally have increased by 275% over the time period of 2000 to 2010. Globally, kidnapping seems to flourish particularly in fragile states and conflict-ridden countries as politically motivated militias, organized crime, and the drug mafia fill the vacuum left by the government. And although statistics are harder to come by due to some political and technical reasons, abductions or kidnapping for ransom is becoming rampant with each year. However, there are other motives of kidnapping as well, and these can greatly vary across regions. Kidnapping for personal revenge, for begging, for selling body parts, for marriage, etc. can be mostly seen in the Asian region. In Bangladesh, the reason behind kidnapping or abduction of children, women, and men varies from demanding ransom money to sexual assault to family or land dispute to political rivalry. In 2019, India's National Crime Records Bureau reported that 39% of the reported abduction cases were for marriage or love relationships, which results in an increase in sexual assault or other gender-based violence. Female target groups are more susceptible to this type of crime in Bangladesh as well. Females, children or adolescents are the top 3 targets for this particular crime in almost half of the abductions. And it is found that 27% of abductions leads to violence against women. From January 2015 to May 2021, 56 female victims were killed and 212 were injured in abduction-related crimes. And in the last 2 years, violence against women associated with abduction has sharply increased. Children and adults are mostly being kidnapped by professional offenders, traffickers, drunken, ifteasers, relatives of victim, or even the person with whom there is a family discontent. On the other hand, several kidnapping rings are also operating throughout the country. To improve this situation, strengthening the law enforcement agencies against kidnapping is of paramount importance. Recently, our law enforcement agencies are using modern technologies such as mobile tracking, CCTV cameras, fingerprints identification, and other measures to track down the perpetrators that have been proven extremely effective in most of the cases. Bangladesh Peace Observatory recorded almost 1,800 arrests associated with abduction from January 2015 to May 2021. 38% of the incidents had at least one arrest during this period. The need for preparing a regional recording standard should be given the highest priority. Given the sensitivity of the crime, creating awareness must be given importance via television, radio, and social media. Media should frequently broadcast such programs on child kidnapping. It is extremely important to teach the children some basic safety rules. Seminars and discussions about child kidnapping should be organized at the root level to create awareness. When any child kidnapping takes place, people or the victim's family must inform the police immediately. All cases of child kidnapping must be adjudicated within a short time. The Speedy Trial Act must be implemented in this regard. The victims should be rehabilitated and compensated as well. For those who are rescued, the stories they bring are horrendous and full of abuse. Many of the female victims are subjected to sexual abuse by their captors, and many of them are beaten or tortured. In this case, the GOs, NGOs, and POs can provide mental health care services through psychotherapy in counseling to cope with the stress, trauma, and phobia for the kidnapping victims, so that they can lead a normal and fearless life.